we have reviewed top 7 best bandsaws. Keep watching. Starting our list with the Laguna Tools NBAND 1412-175 bandsaw. If you are looking for the best quality bandsaw to do your job, then this high-end Laguna bandsaw is our pick for you. Because of the steel frame construction, pyramid spine, cast iron wheels and cast iron micro-polished table surface, this becomes one of the greatly built bandsaws money can buy right now. This bandsaw comes with a 0.75 horsepower motor with heavy-duty trunnion table that tilts right up to 45 degrees and left up to 7 degrees to allow you maximum freedom cutting with it. For its overall features, build quality, and ease of use, this is our best pick for the bandsaws. Before we dive deeper into this product, please subscribe to this channel.
2 years in the making. Introducing the 1412 from Laguna. Dynamically and electronically balanced cast iron wheels ensures vibration-free performance. The wheels are fitted with sealed bearings and covered by a single-piece, snap-on polyurethane tire. Laguna has long been famous for its pyramid spine, adding to the strength and rigidity of the 1412 frame. The ultra-smooth worm gear and pinion not only raises and lowers the blade guard, but is designed to stay within tolerances with no need for blade readjustments, even at its maximum extension. The quality aluminum high-low fence easily changes position. The trunnion is often overlooked in bandsaw designs. However, at Laguna, we believe it is one of the key components to a solid foundation where it all starts. The Laguna guides are engineered with no moving parts and 10 ceramic inserts for optimum blade performance. The table has a positive 45-degree tilt. An ingenious pivoting cap enables a negative 7-degree tilt. The massive adjustable lower wheel shaft is another surprise the 1412 holds. To maximize the transfer of torque, we used a flat poly groove drive belt. The brush prevents dust buildup between the polyurethane wheel cover and the blade. The lit on and off switch indicates when there is power to the saw. The safety key can be removed to prevent unintended use. Blade changes are straightforward with the 1412. First, remove the throat plate. Release the tension, open the magnetic guard. Drop down the guard cover to open the lower door. Remove the table lock and carefully remove the blade. The optional wheel system is designed for ease of use with maximum stability and oil-light bushings. The optional halogen work light is fully adjustable and emits a soft floodlight. The 1412 from Laguna.
Second of our list is the NBAND 3966T 14-inch 2-speed bandsaw with stand and work light. If you are looking for an ultimate value for money option, then this model from NBAND is what we pick for you. It comes in 3 sizes to allow you to purchase the size you need, no more no less. With its 100 inches blade and 315 square inches table surface, this can do almost all your cutting job with ease. On top of that, the adjustable table allows you to bevel cut up to 45 degrees. Including a miter gauge, handle, dust port, a fence for straight cuts, this great quality 2-speed bandsaw became one of the most reliable and handy tool for deep and wide cuts on board. Another great feature that worth mentioning is the adjustable blade guard. It is built for safety and precise cuts every time you use this great quality yet reasonably priced benchtop bandsaw. Number 3 of our list is the JETJWBS14DXPRO 14-inch Deluxe Pro Bandsaw Kit. When we were selecting the top 7 of the list, it became a headache because of the quality every product of the list come with. Coming at the number 3 of our list, this JET bandsaw is not behind any of our first 2 picks because of its high-quality build, ease of use, and great adjustability. With its greatly built cast iron frame and sturdy table that tilts 45 degrees to the right and 10 degrees left, you get an ultimate bandsaw that is built to last. It provides 2 speeds for better control, features convenient quick-release blade tension for effortless adjustments. On top of that, its easy view window ensures safety and precision when cutting with it. Number 4 of our list is the Shop Fox W1706 14 inches bandsaw with cast iron wheels and deluxe aluminum fence. A high-performance bandsaw that comes with a 1 horsepower motor. Because of its 14-inch by 14-inch table that tilts 10 degrees left and up to 45 degrees right, this is another greatly flexible bandsaw you can buy online. Its cast iron upper and lower wheels, quick-release blade tension, extruded aluminum fence and rails, miter gauge, upper and lower ball bearing blade guides, enclosed cabinet stand with storage, 4-inch dust port and many more features give you a hint of its quality, flexibility, and usefulness. Plus, you can increase its resaw capacity to 12 inches high with an easy-to-install block kit. Considering all its high-end features and reasonable price point, this is our runner-up in the value for money category. Number 5 of our list is the SKIL 3386-01 120-volt 9-inch bandsaw with light. If you are looking for the cheapest bandsaw to do your job, then this SKIL bandsaw is our pick for you. This cheap but handy tool features rack and pinion table adjustment that allows you to quickly change the angle and height of it. With its adjustable rip fence and miter gauge, you can have straight and cross cuts without any problem. For making your task more comfortable, this bandsaw comes with dust port that can be attached to a vacuum hose for eliminating dust at its source. Plus, its articulating LED work light ensures precise and safe cuts without any problem. Number 6 of our list is the Rickenhorst 10-305 bandsaw with fence, 10-inch. A great quality machine for the hobbyists and the woodworkers who do not need large cutting capacity and high performance. This affordable bandsaw comes with easy table adjustment feature that allows you to tilt it up to 45 degrees. With its rip fence, large blade tension knob, dust port and safety paddle on-off switch, this is one of the easiest to operate bandsaws of the market. Final product of our list is the Grizzly Geo 555LX 14 inches Deluxe Bandsaw. Another great quality and feature-rich bandsaw that comes with computer-balanced cast iron wheels and rubber tires for maximum accuracy. This Taiwan-built machine is made to last. Comes with heavy-duty cast iron frame, precision ground cast iron table, plus upper and lower ball bearing blade with thrust bearings. This is another true contender for the top spots of this best bandsaw buying guide.
Hello, my name is Sean, and today we'll be discussing Grizzly's line of 14-inch wood-cutting bandsaws. We will start with the famous G0555 bandsaw, which is an all-time favorite in 14-inch bandsaws. We have sold thousands of these across the U.S., and it continues to be an excellent performer today. Let's start with some basic information about this saw. The G0555 and the G055P are the same machine, with the only difference being in color. The P in the G055P stands for our Polar Bear series, which is white in color, while the G0555 is green and tan. This saw features a strong 1 horsepower motor that is wired for 110-220 single-phase power. It comes pre-wired to 110 volts, so you can pretty well plug it in your shop's 110 outlet and begin to use it. This is a 2-speed saw, with the blade speeds being 1,500 and 3,000 feet per minute. Speed changes are derived using a step pulley, and as you can see, we use a serpentine belt which reduces vibrations substantially. The blade capacity of the 555 is 1/8 to 3/4 of an inch, and the blade length is 93.5 inches. This is a standard length blade that you can buy from us as well as many other suppliers. We carry a variety of fine blades, including Timberwolf blades that are made of Swedish steel. The cutting capacity and width is 13.5 inches. Generally, when you refer to a 14-inch bandsaw, it is the distance from the blade to the saw's frame. The resaw capacity, or how tall a board you can run through this saw, is 6 inches. This particular saw also has an optional riser kit available that will give you additional 6 inches of resaw capacity for a total of 12. The kit's model number is H3051, and the kit includes a block, guard, and a longer blade. The wheels are made of aluminum and are computer balanced for a smooth operation. They also run on heavy-duty ball bearings. This saw features a quick-release system for changing out the blades. I'll show you how easy it is to change the blades on this machine. First, disconnect the machine from the wall power outlet. Then all you have to do is flip this lever up, open the upper and lower wheel covers, remove the table insert, slide the blade out and replace it with the new one. Line up the new blade on the two wheels and through the guides. Flip the quick release lever back down and the blade is tight again. Glide the upper wheels slowly by hand to make sure the blade is properly aligned on the wheels and the blade guides. Shut both the upper and lower doors. Replace the table insert. Plug the cord back into the outlet and you're back in business. Blade tension is adjusted using the knob on the top of the bandsaw. Right here. The saw also features a gauge that's calibrated for different blade widths. The quick release blade tension lever allows you to quickly release the blade tension when not in use to maximize blade life, and then retension the blade again when needed. Blade tracking is quick and easy using the knob located on the back of the bandsaw. This saw features ball bearing blade guides with fine adjustments, and these support the blade both where the cut is being made above the table as well as below. The body of the saw is made of solid cast iron and the stand made of heavy gauge steel. This helps dampen vibration. Watch how smoothly the saw is when I turn it on. The heavy-duty table is made of cast iron and precision ground for smoothness and a great finish. The machine also comes complete with a miter gauge and a locking fence. A quick flip of the handle and the fence locks in place at the desired location. The fence also lifts off the table when not needed and has a magnified cursor for measurement. The table also tilts 45 degrees to the right and 10 degrees to the left. The floor to table height on this saw is a comfortable 43 5/16 of an inch. And the shipping weight of this saw is approximately 198 pounds and comes to you nicely packed. In case you're going to pick this saw up at one of our locations, let's measure the case. 44 inches long by 21 inches wide by 20 inches high. Next we will go over the G0555X bandsaw. This is the G0555 with several upgrades and bells and whistles added. Let's go over the additions and improvements of this saw. The fence is cast iron instead of aluminum. A taller and removable resaw fence is included. This fence also allows you to get your guides real close to the workpiece when working on small items. The wheels are computer balanced cast iron instead of aluminum. A built-in work light is also included. Table size has been increased to 20.5 inches wide with a removable insert section in case you want to tilt the table to its maximum angle. Motor size has been increased to 1.5 horsepower while still being 110/220 single-phase power. Also included is a solid cabinet-type steel stand with 2 shelves of inside storage. The overall shipping weight has been increased to 262 pounds compared to the 198 pounds of the 555, and the H3051 riser kit will also fit this model. Next we go over the top-of-the-line 14-inch bandsaw. It is the G0457 industrial 14-inch resaw bandsaw. Let me point out some of the main features of this saw. It features a whopping 10 inches of resaw capacity, a heavy gauge steel reinforced frame to take the added blade tension, and a computer balanced cast iron wheels. Cast iron fence with large removable resaw fence, heavy duty double ball bearing blade guides, precision ground cast iron table that measures 19 3/4 by 14 3/16 by 1.5 inches, and it comes with a larger miter gauge. And the blade speed is 3,000 feet per minute. The solid cabinet stand. has a front opening door with storage shelves inside for extra blades and tools. A quick release blade tension, and a heavy-duty 2 horsepower motor that's pre-wired to 220 volts. And the packing measurements of this saw are 51 inches long by 23 inches wide by 14.5 inches high. Now, this measurement is for the main body of the saw only. The dimensions for the base box are 23.5 inches long, 20.5 inches wide, and 27 inches high. This saw is a real cherry. Now, all the saws we featured here today are powder coated to ensure a scratch resistant and long lasting finish, and all have 4-inch dust ports to hook your dust collection hose right up to.
Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if it helped and share your thoughts in the comments. Links to the products, prices and more specs are mentioned in the description below.